I am here to do a video review of this doorknob and deadbolt, glass doorknob and deadbolt set that I got here on Amazon. So let's open it up and take a look. Company did a good job packaging this, by the way. Okay, so it comes with installation manual. I like it. We're remodeling our house, so this is gonna be so beautiful in the house when we get to the door. So it comes with this diagram showing you how to install it. Okay, let's take this out. This is your glass doorknob, and this really is glass. So don't throw it down while before you put it on. But isn't that pretty? And I had this in the house, letting light shine through it, and I could make rainbows on the wall. So there's your knob. And it's got all your parts. Here's your outside. That's for the inside, by the way. This is for the outside, your handle. And you push this button to pull it, and you pull the door open. It's just like turning a knob. You're going to press the button. So that works really easy. It's got good action. I like the paint job. There's no scratches and scuffs. Okay. This is for your deadbolt. And then here's your lock on the inside. Everything feels like such a really good quality metal. I wish I could have done this video when it's installed, but it might be a while, and I didn't want you guys to wait. I wanted you to see the quality you get. So this is for your door knob. That thing. I don't know what it's called. And then this would be your deadbolt. Oh my, and everything is a good quality metal. I mean, nothing can be bent with my finger. That's great. We got spare screws. Comes with an Allen wrench. Not sure what that part is, but whatever it is, it's got good plastic, good metal. We will learn about that. And here's your deadbolt. And I like how everything is covered over with this clear film, so it can't be scratched until you're ready. And then it's got three keys. So your doorknob is not going to lock, but your deadbolt will. And then these are guides. I mean, they gave you some screws. They didn't miss nothing in this. I'm so happy with it. Okay, so then here's your base plate. And that's just another clear protective film on here. So I'm pretty sure if I was to pull this off, it's going to be black underneath. But that's a good quality metal. I'm trying to bend it. I mean, I don't want to bend it, but I can't. So awesome. And then that's for your deadbolt. And that means you cannot bend it either. So, okay, they must have some grease somewhere on here. Yeah, because I got a little bit of grease on my finger. And then there's more screws that must have fallen out of the bag. But, okay, I am so excited. That is such a beautiful doorknob. And everything is really good quality. They did a great job making this. They did a great job packaging it, but I guess that the packaging's not part of the product, is it? But they protected it to get here. I mean, everything is good quality metal, and everything works like it should. The springs, and you can see as I press the button, it's going to turn that knob. I'm excited. So yeah, I would highly recommend this set to anyone. I'm going to give this 5 stars. I really am. I can't find anything negative to say about it. And with the instructions, it's going to be the instruction booklet, it's going to be very, very easy to install. And take your time. But if you read the instructions, I've read the instructions over and over, and it could be a one-person job. Anyone could do this. I mean, not a child, but any adult could do this. Well, I suppose maybe a teenager. But it's fairly easy. So yes, I'm very pleased. I recommend it. 5 stars. Get this. Your house, you will love it. Oh my gosh. I mean, just the glass doorknob is reason alone. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, thanks for coming. Hope this helps. Great quality, great price, great product.